Hey guys, this is Nathan from Phantom Booster. Today I will present you how to automate your message sending on Slack. This automation will save you a lot of time, trust me. So let's get started. To perform this automation, we will need two things, a Phantom Booster account and an access to a Slack workspace. I will proceed in two steps. The first one will be to extract users of a Slack channel. And the second step will be to send a message to each of them. So when you are connected to your Phantom Booster account, you will browse the solutions here by clicking All Solutions. You will write here on the search bar Slack, and then you will see that you have three automations. We will first use the first one, which is the Channel User Extractor. I will click on Use Now. Here you'll see that my Slack cookie is already filled because I'm connected on Slack by the browser. So I encourage you to do the same. Then I will need to indicate my Slack workspace URL. You will need to go in your Slack workspace. When you are, you can click on the name of the workspace here. There is a drop down. Below the name, there will be a URL. This is the one you have to provide. So select it, copy, and you just need to paste it here. Then click on save. Here, I will need to provide an input to extract the users from. So I have the choice of either providing a spreadsheet URL with multiple channels or just the name of a Slack channel. That's what I'm doing here with the 02 introductions. Concerning the settings, it's not relevant here because I'm only scrapping one channel. I will click on save. Here again, you'll see that I don't need to fill any information of these settings because I'm only scrapping one channel. But if you will scrap multiple ones, you could just indicate the number of channels you would like to process per launch and also the number of users you would like to scrape per channel. Here, for the purpose of video, I will just say I would want to scrape 20 because it can take a long time. On the advanced settings, you have the choice of scraping all the channels, scraping custom fields, and then you can also give a name to your file. I will just process and save. Here, I will just launch my Phantom directly. So I will select once and then click save, and then click on launch. My Phantom ran successfully, and you can see here that I extracted 20 users. I have all their information, first name, last name, their title. So I'm ready for the second step, which will be automating sending messages on Slack. I will browse the solutions once again and search for Slack. The one I'm interested about is the Slack message sender. So here I will click on use now. Once again, I have to fill my Slack workspace URL. So same step here, I will copy the URL and paste it here. I'll click on save. Users to message. Here I have the choice again to provide a URL if my users are somewhere on a spreadsheet or with a Phantom, which I will select here because we just processed the first Phantom to find the users. Here I will select my Phantom, click on save, and then I have to write a message. You can see that this is like a generic one, which was already filled, but I will delete this because I don't like it. And I will just write something like, welcome to this Slack channel. And I'm ready to go. Then you will have some settings if you want to explore a bit more, like the number of messages to send per launch if you plan to space your launches, and then some advanced settings if you want to send only to connected users. Also, if you want to name your file with like a special name. I will click on save. And then I just want to launch it once. So I will also process and just click save here. And now we are ready to go. We should just click on launch and the Phantom will perform. So I hope you liked this automation, and please drop us a comment if you used it and if you want to add something. Bye bye.